Welcome back. In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to create leads automatically that's coming from Facebook, Twitter, X, and so on, advertisements, and they will come automatically to your CRM. The main problem that I saw with social ads is that whenever there is an advertisement running, they will be captured on the social media such as Facebook, and someone will need to go into Facebook and download the CSV and then import into the CRM. And when you call those people, they don't even understand why you're calling them because they don't remember you. This is what we are trying to fix. I want to have someone filling a form on Facebook ads, and they will automatically fly into Zoho CRM, and automatically someone will start to work on them. Maybe automation will run on them, I don't know. But it needs to be fast. Zoho changed the way that they work. They used to have Zoho Social in charge of capturing those advertisements. Now they changed it. So this is the new way. If you will go to the setup, and then under marketplace, you go to all, and look at that. This is our extension. Very, very nice. Okay. You will go to search apps, and you will search for Leadchain. And you can see Leadchain for Zoho CRM. So let's go to that. Let's click on install. Scroll down. Select those checkboxes because obviously we read the terms and conditions and the privacy policy. And now it's being installed. Let's agree to everything because we read everything and everything looks fantastic. You can select if you want only the admins to work with Leadchain or all the users, it's up to you, or you can choose specific profiles. So at that point, extension was installed, and now let's get started. So leads will come real time. It will sync the events, boost return of investment, exactly as we discussed so far. So now we are in the chains. At that point, we need to tell the system what we want it to happen. There is a huge upside for this extension relatively to other systems. You have the campaigns running, but I want obviously the leads to come to my CRM. But I also want the CRM to report back, let's say to Facebook, to tell them this lead was converted. Once you have a two-way integration, so leads will come to CRM, we are working on them and converting them, and there is a sale. At that point, I am telling Facebook, send me more of those leads because I was able to convert them. Over time, those conversions will change the way that Facebook sends you leads because they will optimize them. You will spend less and get better results. So what you see here, it's a bunch of pre-made integrations. So if we are still talking about Facebook, that will be Facebook ads coming to the CRM. So you see Facebook and Instagram leads will sync back to your CRM. And on the other side, this one will be Facebook conversion from CRM will impact Facebook. The way to do it is very simple. You need to click on the link, and each one of them works exactly in the same way. I don't have any campaigns running, so I can't really show you how it works, but you can pay a little bit of money. It's really inexpensive. And whenever you click on upgrade, you will pay for it, and then it will send you to authenticate with Facebook, and then it will work automatically. So there is really not much you need to do. You can see here an example of how it looks like. You will have in Leadchain, you can see also the traffic that comes in. There is one more thing that I wanted to show you is the mapping. So from Zoho CRM, for example, you will have the field mapping. You can search which fields are going to be pushed into Facebook. For example, you can select that the event time will be pushed. You can, when the lead was created in CRM. And whenever you are pushing this information, it will optimize automatically Facebook. So this part is automatically done. Look, all those tools allows you to have better conversion and better response time and better way to optimize your leads. If you are running paid advertisements, you must use those tools. It will cost you a little bit of money, but imagine that those $4 or $5 will help you convert another 15% of your leads, right? So those $4 come a long way. So please give it a shot and let me know if you need any help with this specific section.